Hi! Does your Ecovacs T8 robot vacuum feel like it's stuck in a never-ending circle of frustration? Can't figure out why it's stuck in an endless loop? Do you need someone to help you fix this robot vacuum issue? Don't stress, we've got you covered. Watch how we tackled this wheelie problem and got your vacuum back on track. So, here's the story. Our customer brought us their Ecovacs T8 robot vacuum that was, well, struggling to move. Sounds like it has got a wheel problem. It seemed like one wheel was having a bit of a crisis. Look at this! We tested it out, and yup, the robot was more wonky wheel than smooth mover. This wheel wasn't spinning right and it definitely wasn't making things easy. We took a closer look and, surprise surprise, it was a faulty right wheel module causing all the commotion. It was like the wheel had decided it was done working and was just chilling out. We said, "Hold up, we've got a fix for that." Our solution? Simple. First, we recommended replacing that rebellious right wheel module. Out with the old, in with the new. But wait, there's more! Since this robot vacuum is quite old, we also recommended a deep cleaning service to make sure it was running like new. With the customer's approval, we got to work. After swapping out the faulty wheel and giving it a deep cleaning service, we put it through some rigorous testing to ensure it could glide across the floor without a hitch. And voila! No more spinning. No more drama. The Ecovacs T8 robot vacuum is back in action, rolling smoother than ever. So, what's the deal with your robot vacuum? Reach out to us and let's bring your robot vacuum back to its best.